Happy Friday, and oh, is this a good one, because guess what? We just got in the brand new Lineage E Series 30 DC. Let's go check it out. All right, starting on the outside, you're gonna notice this super sleek paint job that they got on here. Really good colors. And we're also gonna notice we got a nice outside entertainment center, 2 speakers. We got storage all along the bottom. And this one right here is just massive. And then you're going to notice those blacked out wheels. And it also does have some upgraded suspension with some Fox suspension in there. Moving along the front, you're going to notice that real nice sleek front cap along with that upgraded Ford Raptor front grille. Gives it a good aggressive look. Then down the passenger side, we're going to have our generator and some more storage, as well as our hookups and sewer hookups. And then we've got a spot for a telescoping ladder if we choose. Another little storage access, rear bedroom window, and of course, can't forget that 5,000-pound tow hitch. All right, let's go take a peek inside. First thing I notice when I walk in is this stepwell area is much larger than a lot of the competition, so a lot of good area to step up into the coach. And then of course we got our theater seats, dinette that folds into a bed, nice long kitchen layout, got the flat screen TV, got the Furrion microwave, got our Induction cooktop, plenty of storage underneath, and we got a nice big fridge freezer combo, more storage. We got doors underneath the dinette, big storage areas underneath those. They did not go with cabinets above the dinette, which is kind of nice for a taller guy like myself. Don't have to worry about whacking your head on the overhead cabinetry. And then of course we've got our upper bunk area. We've got this guy right here on a shade that's electric. We do have some charge ports, and we also have AC vents that come up into the over cab area. Down in the driver compartment, standard Ford. They do upgrade this to a bigger screen, which is nice. Got Apple CarPlay, all of that fun stuff on it. Taking a walk back to the bedroom. King size bed. Tons of storage. Got our flat screen TV in there. And then looking at the bathroom, we got a nice big shower here. This door for the bathroom comes across. Makes this all one big room. And then nice big toilet area. Nice big window. One thing I did notice that I really like. Boom. That 14x14 vent, just, I love the light in it. Then of course it's got all of your other features that you would expect. Fan in, out, temperature controlled, all of that. Well, first impressions, I think Grand Design nailed it on this one.